I'm quite annoyed by all of this tracking. I'm trying to do some, like sometimes I make some fun things. For example, there was this biller card, and as a name I wrote Chuck Norris, and then I was paying for years as Chuck Norris. And then there was and I was actually thinking about this biller card because it forces you to, or there's a big incentive on using it because some of the products are like almost half the price as without the card. And I was trying a few fun ideas with the biller card, but then it was replaced by your card, and so I had to throw away everything, and I tried it again. Your card tries to get you in their bonus system, and they're collecting data from many companies and trying to make money out of that data. I'm not really happy by that. And the EU tries with data minimalism to force people to not collect that many data, but it doesn't really work. So I'm thinking, what else can I do? I can't prevent that the data is collected. So the other idea was, what if the data is invalid or useless? And this is where I came up with the idea. What if you have a bonus card and they buy a banana in Graz, then they buy diapers in Salzburg, and on the same day Red Bull in Vienna? It's probably pretty inaccurate and useless. So my idea was, you could actually share a card with many people, and then the data is not really useful anymore, and it's hard for them to know which data is correct and which is not correct. So it makes it a bit, fun. And that's the idea of NoCard. I'm not sure if I can use the name, but I like it. So instead of having your own card, you're actually sharing your card with other people, and you get randomly assigned cards on a per usage basis. That's the idea. So you're kind of having a card lottery. On a technical level, they have a quite interesting barcode. For a long time, I didn't find the right barcode reader because it's a quite modern format, which is this weird name, GS1 data bar extended stacked. Finally, I found it, and I'm now able to offline generate images. Based on the number you put in. There's a JavaScript writer who can generate this barcode, and then the offline. So you have an offline ready website which you can just open up. If it has internet connection, it gets you a new random card. If it has no internet connection, it takes the one which is saved in the browser cache. And you just show it up, and they can scan it and then try it. It works. That's the idea. Yeah. So you can load your own cards. It's offline ready, and you'll be able to submit your own cards. It's really hard to read this barcode from images, so maybe you have to type in the number. I'm not sure about that one. And it's almost finished. I'm launching it in a few days, and I'll add the link to the newsletter. Yeah, that's the idea of my NoCard.